guys, welcome back. This year has been a crazy journey for me. I'm just all about trying to be the best me I possibly can. I hired a life coach, I hired a counselor, I had weight loss surgery, and I've been really into journaling, gratitude journaling, and just guided journals. I'm obsessed. So I decided to make my own. I've helped hundreds of clients in my community and thousands of clients online declutter their home. Let me tell you a secret. It's never about the stuff. That fear and anxiety that comes from letting go, it's never about your actual belongings. It's all mental. The struggle to let go comes from fear, anxiety, past trauma. There's so much in here going on, and that's my job, to pull it out, to discover your why you struggle to let go, and how we can overcome that. So my new journal, the Decluttering Challenge, is a guided journal, step by step, helping you discover your inner anxiety about letting go and motivating and inspiring you step by step to clear the clutter out of your home. I'm super excited about this journal. I love guided journals, and I hope you will too. Of course, I have a pre-order bonus for you guys, so anybody who orders my journal, either in the Kindle or the actual copy, you're gonna get the pre-order bonus, which is so excited. You're gonna get my How to Clean Like a Boss ebook, which features step-by-step how to clean your home like a boss, including a ton of free printables, checklists, and guides, and stain removers, so many things. You're also gonna get a 4-week online training session with weekly live webinars where I train you in person, not in person because it's online, but live, where I can answer any of your questions, and we definitely go over all of my trade secrets to cleaning quicker, faster, and with way less effort. And if you don't have Facebook, that's okay. You're gonna get these training sessions emailed to you each and every week. I'm also giving away a big basket of all of my favorite cleaning supplies to one lucky winner. And so I'm so excited. Not only do you get the journal, but you get all this extra cool bonus stuff too. I'm gonna put the link down below to where you can get the guided journal, and a link to my website where you have to fill in your receipt number and your email to get all of the free goodies as a thank you for ordering the journal early. So thank you guys so much for your support. I'm excited to share this journal with you. It's gonna feel like I'm there with you, helping you declutter along the way. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have a slight obsession. I'm embarrassed to admit it, but I kind of love Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. I don't know why. I think here's why I love them. Because I want people to leave them alone. I always see them in the, on my news feed in Facebook, or I see them on the news and I'm like, why are people harassing them? And then they come to Canada, they left their royal duties, and I was like, leave them alone. Like that Britney Spears guy, just leave them alone. And yet, I'm actively reading every article on them. I'm nosy about their lives, which is why people are following them around and talking about them. And then I'm reading these articles, making sure people are leaving them alone, but because I'm reading the article, no one's leaving them alone. It's this vicious, crazy cycle, and I read them and I'm like, nobody even cares about them. Just leave them alone. Nobody cares what they're doing in their lives, except this girl who's Googling to find out what they're doing in their lives. I don't know. What is that human nature? I don't know. I literally care about no celebrities. I don't watch reality TV. I don't know who 99% of the famous people are nowadays, but I can tell you everything about Prince Harry and his beautiful wife, who I wish people would just stop talking about. Anyways, I just thought I'd share that weird little tidbit about me. Did you know they moved to Canada? They moved to Vancouver Island. I don't know why I know that, but again, I'll see you guys next time.